Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Steam games are crashing upon opening up the application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one here. And you want to go paste in the address I have, so steam:// flush config and then space // hit enter. Go ahead and select Open Steam Client Bootstrapper. And once that's done, close out of here. And just looks like it's still finishing up. And then go ahead and sign into Steam, and then hopefully your problem should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.